If you have an iPhone in your pocket, you're carrying more than just a camera. In most cases, you're carrying a professional-grade LiDAR scanner too. Whether you need a CAD-ready as-built drawing for a job site or just want to check if a sectional fits in your living room, your phone can generate a detailed floor plan in about the time it takes to walk across the room. In this video, we'll walk you through the full process in Polycam, how to capture the space, generate the floor plan, refine it on your device, and share a finished product with colleagues the same day. What you'll need is an iPhone Pro or iPad Pro released in 2020 or later, and the Polycam app. Floor plan generation requires a LiDAR-enabled device and Polycam business plan subscription. Generating a floor plan is free for a week. To access the floor plan editor, exports, and spatial reports, start a free 7-day business trial. A single Polycam scan automatically produces 4 outputs: a LiDAR mesh, a detailed virtual walkthrough, a 3D floor plan, and a 2D floor plan with measurements and labels. A great floor plan starts with a great scan. Open Polycam and select either Space Mode with the floor plan toggle enabled at the top left, or Floor Plan Mode. Space Mode captures a full 3D model alongside the floor plan, but Floor Plan Mode is optimized for specifically generating just a floor plan. Prep the space. Ensure the space is well lit by turning on lights and opening blinds. Clear walking paths. Open interior doors so they don't block the scan, and then cover or avoid large mirrors and glass as these interfere with the LiDAR sensor. Start in the corner. Never begin in the middle of a wall. Aim your phone at the opposite corner near the floor. This gives the LiDAR clear vertical and horizontal reference points to lock its orientation immediately, and it's the single best thing you can do for scan accuracy. Move steady and slow. The biggest cause of scan drift, where walls don't line up, is moving too fast. So walk the perimeter of each room at a deliberate pace and let Polycam do its thing. Polycam provides real-time feedback as you go too. White outlines show floor plan boundaries being detected, and the blue areas indicate LiDAR coverage. When the blue disappears from an area, that means that section is fully documented. Scan floor to ceiling. Don't just capture at eye level, tilt the phone up to get ceiling corners and down to capture floor to wall joints. This is how Polycam calculates room height and volume, which is critical data for professionals. If you lose tracking, stop moving and slowly pan the device around the room. Polycam will automatically relocalize and continue the scan. When the whole area is fully covered with no blue areas remaining, just tap Done. After tapping Done, Polycam processes the scan and generates multiple outputs from a single capture in that single session. You can choose between on-device processing, which is fast and works offline, or cloud processing, which is higher quality and better for complex or multi-room spaces. For a polished professional result, cloud processing is worth the short wait. The floor plan arrives with measurements, square footage, and auto-detected fixtures already in place. Polycam's AI automatically identifies and labels sinks, toilets, bathtubs, kitchen appliances, and cabinetry, saving hours of manual drafting. The floor plan editor gives you CAD-style editing directly on your iPhone. Refine the floor plan while still standing in the space to validate accuracy against the physical room, or continue editing back at the office on desktop web. Floor plans sync to the cloud automatically, so colleagues can access and collaborate from anywhere. You can select any wall and adjust its position to fix slight wobbles from the scan. Set walls to match actual dimensions. Accurate wall thickness ensures total area calculations are correct. Manually draw walls or partitions that the camera may have missed, like behind a large wardrobe or in a tight closet. Adjust or add furniture and fixtures. You can move, rotate, resize, replace, or delete auto-detected items. Need to add something the scan missed? The asset library includes 70+ objects like furniture, fixtures, and structural elements, all organized by category. Polycam auto-names rooms like kitchen, bedroom, living room based on detected items. You can manually rename any label. Every edit you make in the 2D plan updates the 3D model in real time. Toggle between views to verify the layout looks right from every angle. Before you export, check these settings. Total area display shows overall square footage, which is essential for real estate and estimating. The compass rose helps architects track sun orientation. Color themes let you switch between monochromatic, complementary, or triadic palettes for client-ready or listing-ready presentations. With the floor plan refined, export in the format the project requires. Polycam supports PDF, DXF, PNG, and SVG, and CSV, all available on business and enterprise plans. The DXF share captures and floor plans with your team through Polycam's business plan, which includes centralized access, shared workspaces, and custom branding for client-facing deliverables. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You can start creating Polycam floor plans today. Polycam turns a 2-hour manual measure into a 10-minute scan with an editable, exportable, professional-grade floor plan ready to share with team members the same day. Start a free 7-day business trial by clicking one of the links below.